Alright, boys and girls, that is my friend Vikram.
What's up?
I'm Sid, and we are here in Broad Cafe in Chennai.
On ECR.
On ECR. And the reason why we are here is because of that car that's standing outside.
Right out there.
In the window. That's the all-new BMW 2 Grand Coupe.
Coupe, yes.
Coupe or coupe?
Coupe.
We've done this joke so many times.
I know.
Right?
But it's got M badges on it, but it's not an M.
Yeah, and both of them are right. And before we get into the car, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Our coffees are here. Thank you so much. This is a cafe that Vikram introduced me to. Do we say cheers and coffee?
We can.
We can. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
He's got his cappuccino. I drink an Americano. So if you ever meet us, and there is the cheese and ham sandwich. Wow, that looks amazing.
Awesome.
So yeah, if you meet Vikram and I, you know what to order. What makes us happy in terms of coffee. All right, before we dive into the car that's out there, the reason why we're doing this video in a setting like this is because a cool car like that deserves a cool coffee place like this.
Yes. And this is probably the best one out here on ECR.
On ECR. And Vikram, what is your relation with this coffee place?
I was introduced to it by a friend of mine called Praveen. He's from Chennai, and we happened to be doing a shoot on ECR. And he said, let me take you to a great place. So I've just paid it forward by bringing you to a great place. So that's the story behind this amazing coffee shop.
And I'll tell you what, the coffee is really amazing.
They do a great job. So they started as a bread bakery, then they expanded into sandwiches and coffee and stuff like that. They've got some awesome desserts.
You've come here a lot of times, it seems like.
Yeah, every time I'm in Chennai and I'm here for a shoot, I try and make it a point to come here.
Okay, so what is your most recommended? I know the coffee is cappuccino, but what's your most recommended?
The ham and cheese sandwich.
The ham and cheese sandwich. Okay, if you like ham and cheese sandwiches, this is the place to be.
Yep.
All right. This is not a brand promotion. This is not a plug.
No.
Yeah, this happened to be here.
In fact, we can't name the owner.
Yeah.
We don't even know his name.
Having said that, the reason why we are sitting here looking at that car outside in that window is BMW invited us to Chennai to try out the all-new BMW 2 Grand Coupe.
Yes.
It's a made-in-India BMW. It's going to be the entry-level BMW car.
Made right here in Chennai.
Made right here in Chennai. It no longer has run-flat tires.
No.
It'll have tubeless tires.
18-inch.
And that Brooklyn grey color is really cool. Do you like that color?
I think that's my favorite out of the lot.
Mine too. I used to have an Audi, very similar color. It was a Daytona grey.
Yeah.
Everybody thought it was a Nardo grey, but hey, Nardo greys, Brooklyn greys, Daytona greys, they all look, Quantum greys, they look
very similar.
Very similar to each other. All right. So in this video, we are going to tell you the specs and everything. All of those things are going to come down. But what I am more interested in are the tech features that this car comes with, and it comes with plenty of tech features. First of all, this car is not your typical shopper-driven vehicle.
No, it's built to be driven. Like, you drive it.
You drive it.
Yeah.
You get that sheer driving
Yes.
pleasure out of it. And Vikram, what are the tech specs of the vehicle?
Okay, so we're talking about BMW twin turbo engine, petrol, 1.5 liter, 3-cylinder, and delivers 156 horsepower, 230 newton meters of torque, and a top speed of 230 kilometers. That's what it's limited at right now.
And it's a 3-cylinder BMW,
That does 0 to 100 in about 8.6 seconds.
which is quite impressive.
It's got boost mode.
It's got the boost mode. Yeah, the boost mode is actually quite fun. You know,
Yeah.
like there's a paddle shifter, the minus paddle shifter. You hold it for like a few seconds. The boost mode turns on for about 10 seconds. You get like this surge of
power. Yeah,
power.
amazing.
It's really good. The car growls up. It sticks to the ground, plants itself, and makes you feel in that control.
Yeah.
Over there as well. So yeah, now that the tech specs are out of the way, let's talk about the technology inside it. It's meant to be driven. It's also very intuitive for the driver as well as the co-passenger up front. They've got plenty of technology loaded into it. The first thing,
I would split it. There's the safety technology, which is that entire ADAS bit.
Yeah.
And then you've got the the creature comfort and other tech that makes it fun.
Correct. And it's very driver focused. You know, the curved BMW display that you get on it is something that we've seen on a lot of BMWs. You know, we've seen it on the 3, we've seen it on the 5, we've seen it on the X7, X5s, X3s, and now it comes to the 2 here as well.
Correct.
It is very clean, it looks very intuitive. It now comes with BMW's OS 9, which is very fluid to use. I was a fan of iDrive until the time I came across the BMW OS, and the OS 9 is even better. In a way. I would say it gives you that feel of an extension of your mobile device or an extension of your personal device into your vehicle. In a way, most of your apps you do see your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto as logos over there, but you also see a lot of integrated apps inside the OS 9. You also see something called, you can even do Zoom calls.
Yeah, there's a camera in there that's there for a whole bunch of those features as well. Take a selfie if you smile at it.
Yeah, and you know, the first time I saw a camera like that was in an E-Class. E450. And after that I saw it in the i5. And then I see it in the 2 Grand Coupe over here as well, and I'm quite impressed. You know, it's good to have, like, if you have like a bunch of friends, or if you're driving around with your partner and you just want to make memories. There's a video recorder inside it. There's a you know,
pretty cool, fun feature to have.
Fun features to have. I'm not a big fan of the angle that it has. It's a little, I would say it's a little tiny planet angle kind of a thing that they've tried to give it, but there can be like a better placement for that camera, maybe in future BMW vehicles. Who knows? Just to point out a few other tech features that this vehicle has, Vikram. It comes with you know, your intelligent personal assistant. It comes with those My modes where you can have like a vibe mode, a sports mode, an efficiency mode on that vehicle. And there's also BMW ID personalization. That's been there in BMWs throughout.
See, for me, I'm not much of a techie. Right? I always turn to you for all my tech answers. But it was a very simple thing that I noticed today, but it really caught my attention. We had paired my phone. You got the wireless Android Auto, the wireless Apple CarPlay. We'd done the pairing. Then we went for lunch. When we got back in the car, right, I turned the car on and it was paired. Like, it was instant. Right, I've struggled in other vehicles. I know that sometimes you get back in and it's like, would you like, or some pop-up and a prompt comes. This was just
seamless.
You're back in and it's on.
It's seamless, and that's what you get with the BMW OS 9 there as well. The other thing that you can get on premium on this vehicle, if you want to buy it, are things like, you know, you can have premium BMW 3D maps. I'm not too sure how many people would buy it in a country like India, which is very 5G, 4G connected, but you know, I can see somebody buying those in, you know, like the Rockies in Canada, where signals are less, but not something that you'll buy in India. Also, you have like these additional My modes that you can buy, which basically gives you different, you know, digital art or relax mode or expressive modes on the panel, the curve panel out there.
Some artwork you can put up there.
You saw the visual art. What did you think about it?
I think it's funky, it's snazzy. It's like, again, it's all about that individualistic approach to this vehicle. You know, it's about me. It's about I.
Correct.
This is not a we car, this is an I car. You know, it's about me, it's surrounded around me, it's built around me, it's for me to enjoy. And in that way, it's for me to customize and sort of play around with.
Correct. Like, another tech feature that this car's got is like you can animate like your welcome lights.
Oh, that I did not know.
Yeah, so what do you think? Like, do you think a lot of people buying this vehicle would be using that feature? It's a premium feature.
It's a premium feature, maybe, I don't know. It's a little gimmicky if you ask me. I think maybe it could be our age.
Yeah.
You know?
But it's more like a personalized thing.
Yeah, so maybe for the younger audience that is designed for, right? I mean, the range for this vehicle in terms of their demographic is actually, you know, like 35. I think 40 is like their upper limit customer for something like this. I think by the time you're 40 and if you're only stepping into a 2 Series, you're not really arrived in life. You should be 40 and stepping into a 5 or, you know, something like that. So this is more for the young achiever, the 25-year-old, the 30-year-old who's like killing it at work, slaying it, right? This is for them. And maybe for them that appeal is there.
Yeah, it kind of makes sense for sure. Another interesting fact that this car has is that it's got like a BMW HUD, the heads-up display,
Yeah.
with augmented reality. It gives you that turn-by-turn navigation, and it gives you like real-time video. So it's very like, you can say, Google Map augmented reality-based kind of a map module, which is, I would say, it's kind of cool to have something like that in a car. Like you're getting HUDs on your vehicle anyway, so why not get that as well? Any thoughts on that? Do you think it'll be like a feature that
See, by and
car
large,
enthusiasts will like?
by and large, HUDs play a dual role. One is from a safety standpoint, you don't take your eyes off the road. Two is a matter of convenience of just having the right information in front of you. And you got very basic HUDs that can give you just readout of your speed. But with augmented reality built in, and you're getting turn-by-turn navigation also in there, you know, it's reading out like Google Maps, it's giving you the speed limits, it's reading signs. Again, you're not taking your eyes off the road, but you can now get, as a driver, you're getting more information.
It gives you that wow factor.
It gives you that wow factor. It also gives you that confidence factor. I think this is something I would find more useful than a selfie-taking camera.
Well, I can agree with you on that. See, if you're in a business salon and you want to take like Zoom calls on the go, then that selfie camera kind of makes sense. But yeah, even for clicking pictures, making memories, like I wouldn't mind having like a camera. It's not like big tech inside the vehicle, but it's like a nice to have feature out there. Now, one of the things that I really liked on this vehicle was, you know, the comfort access that they give with the digital key. Your phone or your smartwatch can act as a key.
Or a card, or a smart card.
Yeah, and you can share it with like 4 of your friends.
Yeah.
If you buy this, will you share the key with me?
I was hoping you were buying it.
We both are not the. Well, I'm still under 40, so I might still.
You're at the top end bracket of this car.
True, but you know I already have a BMW. Not this one. All right, excellent. But yeah, what do you think about that feature? You know, like you don't have to physically give a key.
We're seeing this more and more again with a lot of manufacturers. Again, some of this technology, it doesn't make sense when it first came out. Like, oh, too gimmicky. But now when you look at convenience and you look at how everything has come down to your smartphone. It's a payment gateway, it's an office, you're sending mails, you're doing everything from your smartphone. So why not do something as simple as unlock your car?
True. I think that feature is very well thought of by BMW, especially giving it in an entry-level BMW. It's unlocking possibilities for a lot of BMW owners in the future as well, because we do see like brand loyalists out there. If they enter like a brand like BMW on an entry-level vehicle like this, maybe 10 years down the line they're buying a bigger SUV from BMW, and they're already acclimatized to those features.
Yeah.
So, which kind of pushes their sales as well.
Yeah.
Right? In a way. So yeah, it's all about keeping that existing customer with you.
Absolutely.
Now, coming to the ADAS features, this one comes with a lot of bells and whistles when it comes to like tech on ADAS. It comes with those blind spot assists. But one feature that you really liked was, and you were telling me about it, why don't you tell our audiences as well? On the reverse.
So, that's actually not an ADAS feature, but it is definitely utilizing all the tech on board, the cameras and everything, where it's got the memory of your last 50 meters of a drive. So not if you're going down the highway, but like you pull into a driveway, you pull into a parking spot, right? Or you by mistake turn down a really narrow lane, right? And you suddenly realize, oh crap, I need to get out of here. And backing up is always the big question.
Correct.
The car remembers the last 50 meters. So you choose reverse assist and it makes its way out on the exact same path that you took to get in. So in that way you know your car is getting out safely. It's a pretty cool feature, novel feature. We've experienced it on a few other vehicles in the past. But definitely great to have it on this as well.
Correct. What are your thoughts on the 4 colors that they came across? Now, these were basically, like before we get into the colors, these were basically the tech features that Vicky and I kind of liked on the 2 Series. It comes with plenty of more tech inside it. If we sit here, we might be sitting here for 45 minutes.
And the engine itself is tech.
Correct.
ADAS, the reason I don't want to dabble in it too much is that we now know what ADAS level 2 is. You got lane keep assist, all of those
Blind
features.
your cruise controls.
All of that, adaptive cruise control, all of that stuff. So that's what we're talking about, this being the ADAS 2 package.
Correct.
Right? We know what it is. It has it. It comes on board.
Period.
Yeah, it's a layer of safety for everyone. The engine itself is tech, right? I mean, a 1.5 liter behaving that way with that twin turbo, that's tech right there. So yeah, you're right. If we start talking about it piece by piece,
yeah, it's going to be a 45-minute video.
Yeah.
So yeah, those are the tech features that both Vikram and I kind of liked on the BMW 2 Grand Coupe.
The big highlights, yeah.
Over there, the big highlights over there. We will be getting you a detailed review on both my channel as well as on Motorscribes very soon. Watch out for that. Go follow Vikram on Instagram. His handle is Kodavik.
Yeah.
We've also done an episode of Verified. Go check out his story there on my channel there as well. Now, before we end this video, Vikram, they've come out with 4 colors on this one.
Yeah.
And only 4.
Only 4.
And they're the standard black, white, blue, and the Brooklyn Grey.
You can't name one and not name 3. Let's do it right.
Alpine white.
Alpine white.
Black, I don't remember. Black is black, man.
It was something black metallic.
Yeah. Blue is...
Portamu blue something metallic.
Great. And Brooklyn Grey.
And Brooklyn Grey.
Yeah,
but we like Brooklyn Grey.
We like Brooklyn Grey. I was about to ask you which is your favorite color. Brooklyn Grey?
Brooklyn Grey.
You'll pick up the Brooklyn Grey. I would dabble between the white or the Brooklyn Grey. I really liked it on the white as well. I think a coupe white in India looks really, really sexy. Black, not so much, because you need somebody to clean it every day.
Black stuff, man. I've owned a couple of black vehicles and I've just realized that the ownership experience drops a bit.
Right. After a while...
it doesn't look the same as the showroom.
True. Tell me about it. I've got a black BMW. So on that note, thank you so much for watching. Tell us, what do you think about this video? Do you like this format? We're literally having coffee at this fantastic cafe in Chennai. So if you're here, I'm going to drop down the location on the description for this cafe. Go check this cafe out, try out their ham and cheese sandwich, and definitely try out some coffees. And if you're in Kodaikanal, go say hi to Vikram here as well.
Please just drop it.
Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.
Cheers.